What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today I will be talking about a video I've been wanting to make for a really long time. It's a company called GasBuddy. I've been using it for a few days now, and today I actually pumped at the gas and saved some money, and I was super impressed at how easy it is to use it. GasBuddy is a tech company founded in Boston. The app provides you with real-time fuel updates on 140,000 gas stations across the country, not only in the United States, but in Canada and Australia. They claim to save an average of about $340 per year. And the savings vary from 7 cents a gallon up to 25 and even more cents a gallon, depending on your membership. But the majority of it is free. Or the majority of the accounts are free. The one that I have is free. As you guys know, I'm a delivery driver with Grubhub, which I do as a side job. And so for me, it made sense to sign up, right? I was looking at the site and they talked about the basic requirements to become a member are, being 18 years of age or older, have a valid license, and a checking account, a personal checking account, right? So if you have a personal checking account, which they partner up with, I think it's 700 banks, if I remember correctly. It really is super simple signing up. You register with them, they send you, the information that you're gonna need, your bank account information, and then you set up a driver ID number, which is a 4-digit PIN, right? Once you get the card in the mail, what you do is you log back onto the app, you click activate, and then it's going to ask you for the actual account information or account number and your, I think it's your driver ID. Let's see if I can pull mine out without showing you guys my information. So anyway, super easy to sign up. You put your basic information in. This is what the card that you receive in the mail is going to look like, right? So once you receive the card and once you have it activated, you go back to the app, you find the gas station that you want, and then you start saving money. So what you do is as you guys will see in the next video, you swipe your card like you would a debit card, and it won't show you the savings on the receipt. But a couple of days later, 1 in 3 is what GasBuddy claims they'll charge your bank account. Now, if you want additional, anywhere from $5 to $20 credit on your account when you sign up, you have to use my code, right? My code is WGSX44D. WGSX44D. You're only going to get this if you use this code. I'm going to comment it down in the description so that you guys can use it even if, you're doing it at a later date. What I really like about this company, in addition, obviously, to saving money, is that it's super easy to use. Anyway, enough of my rambling. My code is WGSX44D. Here's how easy it is to use it. We're gonna use GasBuddy. Let's do it. So, first thing we want to do is we want to pull out the GasBuddy card. If I can just find it. Okay, so now that we have the card, insert card. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna insert the card just like that. One moment. You can enter in your driver ID. All right. There you go. So remove nozzle and push button below. So now you want to get your selection of gases. I'm going to go with regular. So that's activated. I'm going to go ahead and start filling up. There you go. And it is really as simple as that. Once you register with your account, you know, you want to make sure that you have your updated address. And what ends up happening is they mail it to you. Once you receive it, you activate your card on the app and you select your ID number. So it's basically similar to a PIN and a debit card. Once you have that all set up, you're all good to go. You're able to use the app to find the nearest location, the nearest one that works for you. It lets you know the prices, and then you treat it really as a debit card. And what's going to happen is it'll show on the receipt a full price, but it's important to remember that afterwards you'll get a transaction on your bank account with a discounted amount, and you should see it also on the GasBuddy app. Simple as that. Nothing else for you to do but save money. It takes a couple of days depending on your bank to show up on there, but as you can see, I'm pumping gas just as I would with my debit card. The only thing is that, of course, you don't have the pay to or tap to pay function, but everything else stays the same. If you guys have any other tips, or maybe people that are more advanced, this is actually my first time using it, but if you have any other tips, please comment down below to help people out. I hope you guys find this useful, and we'll see you with the next video.